Okay, so welcome everyone. I'm Subhash Karthik, your digital communication coach, and today our topic is rapport building technique. This is very important. We need to build rapport with people, and many people they fail to build rapport. And we'll talk about why rapport building is important and why people fail to build rapport. So, but before that, I would like to know from you, what do you understand by rapport building? What is the meaning? Can anybody tell me the meaning?
Yeah,
Rapport
so
building.
before starting any business relationship,
Okay.
first we have to sell ourselves before selling the product.
Okay.
Only then they will realize, okay, whatever we tell is good. So that
Okay.
is what is called rapport building. Is first you try to sell yourself.
Okay. That's wonderful. Okay.
Repo is the credential which is visible to others.
Credential.
Our
Like
credibility.
credibility,
Building relationship in exact meaning.
Now, what is that credibility? I am not getting this word credibility. You want to say our qualification?
no, sir, not qualification.
Exactly
It's a
qualification.
bonding forces which involves to communicate and connect two or more person.
Okay. Okay. What else? Vandana, you are telling something?
I was just telling credibility means like apart from the qualification, the kind of relationship we have with our colleagues,
Okay.
something like that.
So okay, the rapport building is, in Hindi we say किसी के दिल में अपनी जगह बनाना. How to convince anyone, how to create a rapport so that they start liking us. They start because, I'm telling you a very important line. Please listen, be it personal or professional life. This line is very important. The line is people, before telling the line, I'll give you, I'll keep you in suspense. We go into market. It will maybe a small market or big market. It really doesn't matter. Whenever I go to any market, I go to a specific shop. Whenever I want to buy a rice or pulses or spices, there are many shops, but I go to a particular shop. Whenever I go for a vegetable seller, there are many vegetable seller, but I don't know, my leg automatically goes to a particular person. Why? Because I don't know whether that person knows it or not, that somehow he has been able to create a rapport with me. He has somehow convinced me. And people, they cannot convince by just selling product. I would not say that he sold me vegetable and I got convinced. No, it is not the product, but it is himself. He somehow created a rapport and I started liking that person, and even I don't know that. It is there inside my mind, and whenever I go to market, I go to that person. So suppose in your life, if every person they start liking you, and if you are able to create a rapport with everyone, I think you will get a lot of benefits. People will like you. People will try to talk to you. People will try to be with you. People will try to select you. People will try to hire you. People will know you. It is very important to create a rapport. Now, my next question is how to create a rapport. What do you think? Right now also, I'm also speaking in front of you, and somehow I'm also trying that I should create a rapport. I'm trying it, and every time, not from today, I've been trying this from the first day I see you. Most of you started coming from the batches which were organized, without any money. We started with a workshop. In that workshop, what I did, I tried to create a rapport. It's not about only English. There are many institutions, they are giving training on English. Why did you join us? Maybe we have been able to create a rapport. you know. So this is very important, that whenever we talk to someone, we should not just talk because we have to talk. We have to talk so that that person should remember us. Now, I want to ask you, what helps us to create rapport? Can anybody tell me what helps us? Anyone?
So first is in
Our behavior,
Just a minute. Yeah, Karunesh, behavior,
our yes, behavior,
The communication, way of talking.
way of
and
talking, communication.
and,
Karunesh.
Maybe
and whenever
understanding
we
the
talk with
other
anybody, we
Okay,
should
one
try
by one,
to,
one by one. Yeah, one by one. Yeah, Karunesh.
and whenever we talk to anybody, so it should not be only the talking. We should try to connect with that person.
Yeah.
Some
How
kind
to
of this
connect?
type of
How
how
to?
to
I'm talking
connect
about how.
first,
Sir,
sir,
try to understand.
as we have learned in these type of classes, uh, uh, to understand that person, then how we can communicate with him.
Hmm.
If we get success in to make proper communication with him, then definitely we can make rapport in his heart or in his mind.
Okay, anybody else?
Sir,
Yeah, Manjula, you were telling.
Understanding the
Try
requirements
to
of that
understand someone others need or what they want
Okay.
at the comfortable level. Give them the comfort that they want to talk with us and their needs about. This is
Okay.
maybe it's help.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Jaideep, you were telling something.
yes sir rapport means that understanding the requirements of the person and satisfaction level to that.
Okay. Yeah, Prakashini, you were telling something.
Yeah, if you first time rapport building means they are stranger to us. After building rapport, they are friends to us or they are
Absolutely.
colleagues or associates. So first, when they are strangers, I feel we have to talk on the topic of common interest, like politics or what is happening in their community, something like that. Generally, we have to speak. So how is your business running? Something like that. If you're meeting a businessman, then you ask something related to his business or something related to his area. So you just try to connect with him by creating some topic of his interest, like how the interviewer first asks us, can you tell me about your background? So he's creating a rapport and trying to find out how good I am. So that
Okay.
is how we first create a rapport.
Okay. Now my next question is absolutely right. Anju, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I just want to say that repo, it's a short form of reputation, and it is created by the deep knowledge and effective communication.
Okay. See, effective communication is a big, topic. Basically, I just want to know that, okay, let's talk about speaking. I want to ask you, can we create rapport by only speaking?
No, sir. Listening them.
Absolutely not.
First listening them and understand them. What they want to. Nobody want to listen anyone else. They want to tell about themselves always. Okay, I am from there. That this is. So listening
Yeah,
is the
absolutely.
major.
Listening is also important,
By
but
being
how you communicate, how you speak, that is also important. You cannot ignore that.
yes, yes,
Listening and communication both are important. Now, my very important thing, then why people fail? Because we know how to talk, then why sometimes we are unable to communicate, or why we are unable to create rapport? What are the problems? What do you think?
Sometimes we underplay or overplay, sir. We don't know the limit of our
Very
life.
nicely said, very nicely said. Sometimes we underplay or sometimes we overplay, and we don't know the balance between, in that balance we can create rapport. I'll make this more easier for you to understand. Whoever is listening me, some of you are extrovert, some of you are introvert. You know, the best part of extrovert, they mix up with people so well. Extrovert people, you know, those who don't know, I'm again telling you from the basic. Extrovert people, they're very open people. They talk a lot. They talk a lot. They talk to anybody. You tell them to talk, they go and talk. They mix themselves very easily. And some people, they are introvert. They are introvert, you know. They think a lot, but they talk less. They think a lot, but they, while speaking, they sometimes fail to speak also. So if I want to ask you, if you get a chance, will you become will you become an introvert or or extrovert?
So the
Now
balance
we
is
got the
required.
It's a
answer.
balance.
So we want to
Balance is
balance.
required.
Yes,
Again, the balance. What is that balance? I don't know that you're talking about balance. I'm not getting the
Balance
balance.
means, so the balance means you have to involve with the person and be in sync with the person whom do you talking with.
No,
So
I'm
that
telling the good part of extrovert is he or she mix up very easily, you know. But the bad part of extrovert is they talk a lot and they listen less. Now let's talk about introvert. The best part of introvert is they are very good listener. But while speaking, they shake, you know. They are basically, they get scared, or they feel what to speak. So like if I ask you, you know, sometimes I don't know, I'm just trying to guess. Okay, like whenever I see Manjula, I feel that she is extrovert. I don't know, it is my speculation by just seeing and talking. When I see Rupesh, I feel Rupesh talk less. I don't know, but at least in this class, I feel that. So Rupesh, are you extrovert or introvert?
I tend to be extrovert.
You?
Tend to be extrovert.
Okay, you are extrovert. Okay, but Jaideep is introvert without
yes,
any doubt.
yes, yes.
I am introvert, but when I
And but
feel comfortable, then I talk very much. In the
Okay,
class,
okay, okay.
I feel comfortable, but not everywhere. But where I'm feel comfortable, then I talk. But
Yeah.
so I don't know what is I am introvert or extrovert. It's a little bit confusion is there.
Okay, sometimes I feel, you know, I see Bashir from Bangalore. Even whenever I see him, I also feel it. He may be an introvert person, but I don't know. I'm just guessing right now, huh? Because our face also says a lot. Like if I say Vibha, I feel
Yes,
she's
sir.
an introvert. If I'm not wrong, Rupesh must be knowing, or you know. See, it's not about how Rupesh and Vibha you talk to each other. It's all about how you talk to others.
No, sir, not introvert, but as I would like to talk the person, not interested with every person. So I like to talk to some, some person which are able to member, but means I like to talk the same person, not every person, and I'm not very talkative also.
That's what I'm saying, Vibha. If you are not talkative, if you have selective friend, you know, introvert people, they have selected friend. They don't have so many friends. They have very selective friend. They don't talk to everyone. They talk to the people with whom they feel so free.
As you said, I am really less talks of introverts. Really, very less.
So that's what, you know, even our face tells everything. Like when I see Karunesh, I feel some introversion. When I say Vandana, I don't know, but I think because I've never interacted so much, but by seeing, I'm trying to guess. Like whenever I see Ritu, I feel extrovert. Whenever I see Neha ma'am, I feel she's double extrovert, you
No,
know?
sir, I used to be an extrovert, but now I am not extrovert.
See, it's
Sir,
not about you.
I really don't want to talk to anyone.
time by time. It's changed time by time because
See,
in
Yes,
school
sir, in my
time I am
college,
not. I have one or two selective friends only. or now because of my husband job, transferable job, I have to meet in 5 years a change of colleagues, and that too. So is talkable is very necessary for me, because
Yeah.
otherwise I am very feel alone.
Okay. Now I'm telling you, you know, your nature, you cannot change your nature. Please try to understand. You cannot change your nature. If you're introvert, then you are introvert. If you're extrovert, then you will be extrovert. What can change, you know? You can change the way you behave. I'll give you the example. Can you guess if I, अच्छा, I'm जिसको मैं पूछूंगा वही बोलेगा, ठीक है? Okay, can Rupesh you guess what am I? Am I extrovert or introvert?
You are extrovert.
So as per Rupesh, I am extrovert. Okay. Yeah, Manjula, what do you think?
The introvert
As
in
a,
your
he,
class. Yes, sir.
she thinks that I am an introvert. Yeah, Bashir, what do you think?
No, sir, you are absolutely extrovert, sir. You
Okay,
speak.
so Bashir is telling I am an extrovert. Yeah, Karunesh, what do you feel? Your voice is not coming. I think you have to
Sir,
unmute.
you are an extrovert. You seem an
Extrovert.
extrovert.
Okay, okay. So yeah, Jaideep, what do you think?
As per my observation in class, you are sir
I'm not talking
extrovert.
about
Extrovert.
class. I'm talking about my nature. I'm not talking about class. Okay, wherever I go, what do you think? I'm an extrovert or introvert?
Extrovert, sir.
Yeah, okay. Last person I'm asking, Ritu.
Sir, according to me, you are introvert.
Okay, according to me. Okay. So I'm telling you, I'm very introvert person. I talk very less. I talk very less. Sometimes I don't understand what to talk. But when I come
Yes, I guessed right, sir.
Yeah, you guessed right. Telling everyone, by seeing, you may not understand, but I am an extrovert. I am an introvert person. My nature is introvert. I don't mix up so easily. But if you see KK Mandal sir, sir is very extrovert.
Yes, sir. He is extrovert.
He is
Neha
very
ma'am is
extrovert.
extrovert.
Neha ma'am
ma'am
is extrovert.
Yes.
You know, so you know it's very important to know that when I speak only when it is required. And whenever I come in the class, I change myself. You know, I always remember one is introvert and one is extrovert. And there is a middle point to it. And that middle point is called ambivert. Ambivert. Always remember, A-M-B-I, ambi.
So the person behave in the person behaves situationally.
Not really. Yeah, you are
Sir,
partially
balance.
right. Ambivert means I am introvert. As per nature, I talk less, but whenever it is required, I talk. Whenever it is required, I speak up. Whenever it is required, I go and be friend with people. Whenever it is required. So what I'm doing, whenever I change my behavior on that particular time, which is opposite to my nature, so I change myself. It is not an easy task to change your nature. But my nature, see, I'm doing it because it is my work, it is my profession. I have to talk to everyone. But I prefer to spend time with me alone. I talk to myself a lot. People who are introvert, they talk to themselves a lot, you know. Mostly. I don't know about Jaideep, but and Bashir.
Also, yeah, sir, I so think a lot.
They think a lot. The introvert people के दिमाग में ना मतलब every time something is running, you know, मतलब बोलते हैं ना चाचा चौधरी से भी ज्यादा सोचता है. And you know, I also think that, so I know it is. तो इसका पॉजिटिव साइड क्या है ना, we understand people the more, you know, हम लोग बात करने के समय introvert people whenever they talk they think कि भाई मेरा बोलना सही होगा कि नहीं, and then they speak. But extrovert, they don't think so much. You know, sometimes what happens, I'm telling you what happens with me. I write SMS to somebody. Suddenly I feel, you know, ये लिखने से सही नहीं होगा ना, उसको खराब लग जाएगा. सोचो उसके बारे में भी हमको सोचना पड़ रहा है. This is the introvert. अरे एक्सट्रोवर्ट होता तो अरे यार लिखो जो लिखना है, जो सोचेगा सोचेगा, I don't care. But you know,
I also think so.
but you know, introvert people, they think यार उसको खराब लग जाएगा, चलो बैक स्पेस दबाते हैं, बैक स्पेस से पूरा सेंटेंस को चेंज कर दिया. So there is good also, there is bad also. The good is introvert people, they maintain relationship very well. They know when to say sorry, they know how to go and talk, how to, you know, they know because they feel the other people. एक्सट्रोवर्ट का प्रॉब्लम क्या है, वो जितना जल्दी रिलेशन बनाता है उतना जल्दी रिलेशन टूट भी जाता है, बिकॉज दे डोंट थिंक सो मच व्हाइल दे टॉक. वो हो सकता है मजाक में कुछ बोल दिया, यू नो, ही डिड इट बाय चांस एंड सामने वाले को गलत लग गया. इसीलिए यू नो the good and bad parts. So guys, I'm telling you, if you are introvert, proud to be an introvert. If you are extrovert, proud to be an extrovert, because you have been created the way it is. Now what you have to understand, if you are extrovert, you have to understand what are the good points of introvert and you have to apply that. Please listen again, I'm telling. If you are extrovert, you have to see what are the good points are there in introvert and you have to apply. If you are introvert, then you cannot change to extrovert, but you can apply some positive features of extrovert. So when you do that, you become ambivert. So ambivert is not a nature. Nature is extrovert or introvert. Ambivert is the middle point when we change our nature to create better relationship.
So flexibility.
Yeah, that is a flexibility. That is not of real me, but that is very important. You do it because it is very important to have a relationship. You know, you just cannot keep quiet. You have to keep your relationship. You have to talk. You know, when you see an extrovert, I know Hamesha, they are always energetic, always, you know, as if they want to talk to everyone. Mostly I've seen extrovert. Introvert, you know, they are very shant, you know, always, you know, don't talk much. Suppose there is a party. Okay, I'm giving you a real example. Suppose there is a party and extrovert is entering into the party. Okay, I just want to stand and do this. Suppose an extrovert is coming in the party. So what extrovert does, you know, hey, hi, hello, hi, how are you? They go and talk and they mix up with people very easily. And you know, suppose there is an introvert, they will just sit at the corner. And they will always remain at the corner. They will see if there is any faces I know and I can talk. They always see कोई देख तो नहीं रहा है, you know. If अगर कोई आ गया तो क्या बोलेंगे, हाय बोलेंगे कि हेलो बोलेंगे. They also plan, ये सब भी plan करते हैं. No, because see, I'm telling you because I feel this. You know, sometimes I feel that ऐसा होता है. We don't know what to talk. Sometimes मेरे घर पे call आता है ना. Sometimes मेरे suppose I talk to my auntie or any relative. तो सबसे पहले मेरी बीवी से बात करते हैं वो लोग. फिर मेरे को फोन पकड़ाते हैं. अब मैं सोचता हूँ क्या बोलूंगा, जो सेम बात उन्होंने किया, कैसे हो, क्या कर रहे हो. ऑलरेडी मेरी वाइफ के साथ वो बात हो चुका है. फिर मैंने पकड़ा, फिर मैंने बोला कैसे हो. मतलब it's some, and you know, I don't feel comfortable talking, you know. बट कुछ लोग हैं मेरे लाइफ में, काफी सिलेक्टेड लोग हैं जिनके साथ मुझे पता भी नहीं चलता टाइम कैसे कट जाता है. So that's what, you know, introvert, पता है आपको, if you introvert people are more creative. Introvert people, they think a lot. They think a lot, and that is the reason they are more creative. So there are some positive, negative sides are there. So guys, you know, rapport building, I have seen most of the time, extrovert people, they build rapport very fast because they mix up with people very easily. but introvert people, they face a lot of problem. So today I'm going to tell you, you are introvert or extrovert, whoever it is, I will show you some technique. By those technique, if you communicate with people, the chances, the probability will be more that you can create rapport. मतलब आप किसी को मतलब लीड कर सकते हो कि मतलब आप किसी को कन्विंस कर सकते हो. देखो ऐसा नहीं कि हर समय ऐसा होगा. It doesn't happen every time because there are two different people. But it has been seen when you do this, the chances are more that person will like you. You know, many people say, you know, बात नहीं करने से, बात ज़्यादा करने से भी problem है, बात कम करने से भी problem है. If you talk more, you may lose the rapport. If you talk less, you may lose the rapport. So you have to know the balance, the perfect balance. So today I welcome you in this rapport building session. We call it RBT 5.0. RBT 5.0. Always remember, questions don't create rapport. The more you ask question, the chances of rapport building will be less. Always understand, अगर आप किसी को convince करना चाहते हो, तो question करना है, कर सकते हैं, but don't ask more questions. Because the more you ask question, you may lose to create rapport. Questions don't create rapport. Questions helps us to dig into something. एक बार रपो क्रिएट हो जाए उसके बाद आप उसको क्वेश्चन करो, कोई बात नहीं. बट ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पहले ही दिन ज्यादा क्वेश्चन करने से आप रपो बिल्डिंग में एक प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. यू माइट लूज दैट पर्सन. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट व्हेन यू ट्राई टू क्रिएट रपो, you think about it and you should not ask question more. Rapport is created by the feeling of commonality. Rapport is created by the feeling of commonality. Commonality. What is the meaning of commonality? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of commonality?
The area of common interest.
Area of common interest. Absolutely right. Always remember, if something is common between you and me, the chances will be more that I can create rapport more fast. Any example? Can anybody give me?
So from same place or same religion.
Very
or,
good. If
Like
if I'm Bengali, if I meet any Bengali, the rapport building will be fast. You know, this is the power of rapport. You know, when things are common, we get attracted to that person very easily. If somebody is from the same place I belong, I'm from Jamshedpur, you are also from Jamshedpur, the chances will be, you know, we will get attracted so fast. If you go to any person, you know, so there must be some commonality. You have to understand. आप जब किसी के घर पे जाओ, बात करने जाओ, आप थोड़ा सा सोचो इस बात को लेके कि ऐसा क्या हो सकता है जो मेरे और सामने वाले के बीच में कॉमन है. इसीलिए you know, if you see the place, हो सकता है आपको उसके घर पे कुछ नहीं, एक you never know, but you know, what should I say? I'm just looking for the example. Suppose आपको उसके पास एक फुटबॉल मिल जाए. Oh, sir, do you play football? Yeah, I used to play. Arey sir, I also like play. Do you like to see football games? Yes, I like. उससे क्या होगा ना, फुटबॉल लेके बात स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. Because there is something very common. So guys, this is a very important point, that if you want to create a rapport, you have to think what is common in him and you. कुछ तो कॉमन आपको जरूर मिलेगा, या तो सेम कॉलेज, सेम स्कूल, या सेम सिटी. So anything हो सकता है. आपको कुछ खाना पसंद हो. It could be anything.
Same hobbies.
Same hobbies.
Yes, sir, like painting, drawing art.
Painting, drawing, art, absolutely. There must be, oh my God, अगर आपको सच में किसी के साथ रेपो बिल्ड करना है, आप वहां पे जानबूझकर भी रेपो बिल्ड कर सकते हो. कभी कभी जरूरी नहीं है, बट हो सकता है he is my client and I have to build the repo.
Yes,
So
sir.
you
Sir, I
have
do
to
that.
say.
Sir, I
Yeah,
do that.
Manjula does that. Okay. Oh, you also have a children. I also have a children. They do it from Zoom. They take classes from Zoom. Oh, your children also take. So, if you really want to create, there must be something in common. Feeling of commonalities does not mean to speak the same word. It does not mean that whatever she's speaking, I have to also speak the same thing. No. Feeling of commonality, whatever the discussion we have done till now, it's not about that whatever he will speak, I have to, how are you? I'll say fine. Then I will say, how are you? He will say fine. No, I'm not talking about that commonality. I'm talking about, see, something should be common. The hobbies, interests, some stuff, some material, companies, cities, something should be common.
The same stream. Hello.
Yes, anybody? Yes, what happened?
Sir Shweta, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Shweta. Tell me.
So I'm just saying, it's same. Commonality means like in a same stream also.
Yeah, in a same
like you
stream.
You said na hobbies or
Yeah, it could be anything which is
sir.
same in him and you. Okay, now let's start. Repo building tip number 1. Now I'm going to tell you how you can create rapport with people so that people will like you, people will talk to you, people will talk about you, they will go in favor of you, they will try to meet you. It is very important. So rapport building tip number 1.0, matching and mirroring. Matching and mirroring. Can anybody tell me what is matching and mirroring? Matching and mirroring.
Like same field.
Now that is commonality, that is gone. Now it is a different thing. Matching and mirroring. See, especially I'm telling you, those who are introvert, they should definitely do this because somehow they speak very less. So it is more challenge for the introvert people to create rapport. And if I'm introvert and you people are not understanding, it means I'm doing something. That is the reason you are not understanding that I'm an introvert person. So I'll tell you what exactly I'm doing. I'll tell you, and when you also do the same thing, nobody will tell you that you are introvert. Okay, so yes, what is matching and mirroring? Okay, a very simple thing. It is not so big psychology. Matching and mirroring means, suppose that so I want to create a rapport. Suppose I go to one person. Okay, if I'm going to some person and I'm standing, but that person is sitting in front of me. Please listen this. This is very important. I am going to his home and that person is sitting and I'm standing and I'm talking to that person. He is sitting and I am standing. There is no matching.
Yes, it's not matching.
Yes.
Yes. If you want to create rapport, either he needs to stand up or you need to sit. See, these are very small things. Because see, I'm not telling you, bhai, aap zyada baat karo, aap zyada अच्छे से करोगे. बात यहाँ पे important नहीं है. आप कम बात करो, but ये सब ज़्यादा करो. This is more important. The talk. Many people say नहीं सर बात तो करना पड़ेगा. The talk is merely 7%. इतना मत सोचो. 7% के लिए मत सोचो. 93% is ये सब चीज, body language, these are the things more important. Only 7% is what you talk. 93% is what you show. So matching and mirroring. Mirroring means the way I am sitting, the way that person should sit. So that's what I'm saying. If somebody is sitting, I may tell that person, excuse me, sir, if you don't mind, can I sit here? I can take another chair and I can sit. And when now I'm sitting and that person is also sitting, so I'm mirroring with that person. So that is called matching and mirroring. See, it doesn't mean that that person is taking hand in his here and you are also do it here. If man is taking, finger in the nose and you are also taking nose, I'm not talking about it. Okay, don't do it.
The posture should be same.
The thing is that there should be a, the gesture should match. Gesture in the sense, the way that person, suppose that person is sitting like this and he's facing towards me. I'll also sit like this and I'll face towards him. It's not that कि वो ऐसे बैठे हैं और मैं ऐसे बैठा हूं and he is sitting like this. No, it is not that. If I want to create rapport, I have to sit the same way that person is. Try to understand. Sometimes, sometimes some person is talking like this. Okay. It means it is a signal that maybe that person doesn't like you, doesn't want to create a rapport. Even, I'm telling you a very important thing and you will like it. You have to see the toes. When somebody is standing, please listen. When somebody is standing, you have to see the toes. If toes are like that, when I'm standing, my toes are like that. Can you understand? My toes are like that. My legs are like that. My feet.
Straight.
Yeah, straight like this. I'm sitting, my legs are like this.
Yeah, it's apart, not
Right,
close.
right. So always remember, suppose I am sitting here and his legs are towards me, then he is interested. If legs are like this, please see, legs are like this and I'm sitting here, the legs are not towards me, the chances are very high that person is not liking me. These are very important points. You can understand that whether you are able to create a rapport or not. So the first thing is matching and mirroring. It is very important. It has been seen, when rapport is being created, it has been seen sometimes their breathings also matches. When, a girlfriend and boyfriend, they are meeting after a long time. There is a rapport in between them. Even they don't know they are creating rapport, but internally there is a rapport being created. They are looking towards each other. Even their breathing is same. They're feeling the same energy, feeling same, So it is happening. So when you are doing deliberately, when you are doing because you have to create rapport, so you can also work accordingly. So matching and mirroring is the first thing you always have to think. Yeah, Anju, you want to say something? So the matching and mirroring is very important part. People mirror each other when they like each other, knowingly or unknowingly. People mirror each other when they like each other.
Normally, these are seen at home when kids are mirroring yourself.
Yes, absolutely. Knowingly, unknowingly. So guys, these are very important. Okay, I'll show you the next slide now. Rapport means to create a sync by mirror the position. See, this person is sitting and that lady is standing. This is the way you cannot create a rapport. Either that person needs to stand or that lady needs to sit. See, these are very small things, but these are very important. This is called mirroring. Mirroring the position. Rapport is created when there is a sync, and even their tone of voice, you have to mirror the tone of the voice. If that person is speaking in a low pitch, you have to speak in a low pitch. When the person is speaking in a high pitch, you also have to speak in a high pitch. In this way, you can create a rapport. You know what happens? I'm telling you, if some person comes and speak with you in a higher pitch and you speak in a lower pitch, somewhere he will dominate you. आप वहां पे गए थे उसको रपो करने, खुद वो आपको डोमिनेट कर दिया. It's very important that you should also speak in a higher pitch, but you should be polite. ऐसा नहीं कि higher pitch करते करते आप rudely बात करो. No, you will be in a higher pitch, but you should be sober. You should sound better. The rhythm should be better. So, you know, your sound is also important. When you talk to somebody, if somebody is speaking in a higher pitch, you should also try in a higher pitch. Otherwise, unknowingly, you will get dominated. And, you know, it has been seen many times introvert people when they are, you know, when they face such people, when anybody speaks so loudly, introvert people, they feel, you know, shayad I cannot talk to that person. Don't fear. Some people, they have a habit of speaking in a higher pitch. In that case, you should face them. Even you should also take your pitch high. So there should be, you know, some sync in between you and that person, the voice. And the voice is very much important. Yeah, now it is very important. Impactful body language. Impactful body language. Now it is very important. We call this this is the second point. It is called soften approach. Soften, S-O-F-T-E-N, soften approach. Soften approach. It is very, very impactful approach. And I'm telling you, if you apply this approach, nobody will even guess that you are an introvert or extrovert. They will always feel that, yes, you're so dynamic. It is an very impactful body language. We call it SOFT and soften approach. What is soften approach? I'm telling you, very important, especially again, I want to speak for extrovert, you know, introvert people more because they are facing more problem in creating rapport. I'm telling to all the introvert people, and I also do that. I also do that being an introvert. Whenever I go somewhere, I don't talk much. Don't think that you have to speak so much. No, you don't have to speak much, but you have to show some body language by which you can create rapport. So what is that body language? Now see this. It is called soften approach. Let's see what this soften approach here. Soften stands for, does S stands for?
Smile.
Absolutely. Smile. When you talk, you should smile. Every time, whenever you deal with any people, you should smile. When was the last time you smiled? Yeah, Bashir, do you smile? Now you're smiling. जयदीप को लग रहा है ना उस नहीं करेंगे स्माइल नहीं करेंगे you know एकदम दबा के रखा है दोनों लिप not smile. I don't know यार what you will not talk you will not smile then how will you create rapport? You have to do something. Either you smile, either you talk, you do something. You know, it's very important. Our smile communicates. Our smile communicates that I'm very happy to see you all. Some people have an awesome smile. I would not say some people, everyone we have awesome smile, but as if we don't smile, we don't look so good. People, they do not, you know, आप सोचो, अगर कोई इंसान smile नहीं करेगा ना, you will not feel like go to that person. Repo तो दूर की बात, repo छोड़ दो. People will not like to talk to you.
Sir, smile is the best makeup.
अरे ये सब पता है सबको. करता कौन है? That's my question. You know, when you smile, people, they accept you. If you don't smile, they will not accept you. I think this is something which I always thank God, yaar, at least smile mere ko diya hai. I always try to smile whenever it is possible. Because I talk less, और मेरे लिए तो बहुत जरूरी है. At least I can, that smile is very much important. Sometimes KK sir says, थोड़ा मेरे को smile सिखाना, So KK sir face a lot of problems sometimes to smile. I tell him, कैसे smile कीजिए, and but when he's in a mood, then he smiles a lot. But sometimes, he becomes थोड़ा बहुत serious हो जाते हैं. बहुत सारे students भी सोचते हैं यार मेरे को डांट ना दे sir, So it is very important to smile always. Okay, the soft N, S stands for smile. Now O stands for open. Open means open gesture. You should never close your gesture. You should always have open gesture. Open gesture means whenever you go and talk, your gesture should be very open. It should not be closed. When you close your gesture, people feel I'm not interested to talk. Suppose you people are there in front of me. I'm standing like this, so I'm closing. If you are there, I have to face you. This is called open. Try to understand, guys. I want to talk to you all, so I will be facing to you. I will not face like this. It is very important that I face you all. That is called open. See my hands. It talks that I am open. So आप सोचो जब आप ऐसे करके किसी के पास जाओगे और आपकी शक्ल में स्माइल रहेगा, आपको कौन इंट्रोवर्ट बोलेगा, कौन बोलेगा कि आप कम बात करते हो? You don't have to speak, you have to show that yes, I am open, I am smiling. People will never say you talk less. पता है कब आप लोग आपको देख के बोलते हैं कि you talk less? When जब आप एकदम कॉर्नर में रहते हो, when you stand in the corner in any room, you don't smile, you don't see, then people say लग रहा है कि वो shy है. Some people they say, that person is shy. Why? You talk less, that is not the reason. Don't think I talk less, that is the reason people say I'm shy. No. You talk less, that is not the reason. You don't see, you don't smile, you close your body. That is the reason people feel that you are shy. I'm giving you one more example. If I'm shy, what I'll do, I will not show my face. I'll do like this. जितना अंधेरा हो मेरे को आप मत देखो. I'm very shy. I don't want to face you. क्या करना है? लाइट को अच्छे से जलाओ, थोड़ा फेस अच्छा से दिखे, बात कम करो, बट शो योरसेल्फ. ज्यादा अंधेरा में मत रहो, लाइट में आओ. Light is important. Okay. So this is very important that we should have an open gesture. Now F. F stands for forward leaning. Forward leaning. Forward leaning. Forward leaning means, suppose if I'm talking to some person in front of me, I will lean a bit. मेरी जो body होगी वो थोड़ी सी lean होगी towards that person. I should not be sitting so straight. I should lean towards that person. उसके ऊपर गिर नहीं जाना है, ठीक है? You have to just lean a bit. Suppose if I'm standing, I should not stand like this and talk. No, I should lean and talk. अभी तो I am not giving any physical training. अभी तो सब कुछ online है. तो जब भी मैं physical talk देता हूं तो I never stand like this and talk. No, I always lean towards the audience. आप देखोगे बहुत सारे speaker हमेशा थोड़े lean रहते हैं. They lean a bit and then they talk. When I'm talking to you, I am also leaning right now. I'm not standing like that, I'm telling like that. No, I'm leaning right now and telling you this. It is very important, forward leaning. It helps you to create a rapport when you talk. T. T stands for touch. Touch. Touch is a very interesting thing, you know. When you shake hand with anyone, you will understand how much confident that person is. Shake hand will tell you, you know, some people, they shake hand like this. They shake hand by their fingers. I don't know why. They don't give their full hand. They just give their finger, 2-3 fingers they give and say, "Ha, bhai." Why? You know why people they don't give their full hands? Touch, because when I will do handshake with you, आपका हाथ पकड़ूंगा ना तो मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा कि आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हो. So guys, this is very important. When you shake hand, no, वहां पे भी जब आप किसी भी shake hand करो तो थोड़ा lean रहो. Your hand should be like this. Your your thumb should indicate towards the upper position, and then you have a very firm handshake, not so tight, not so loose. It should have a very firm, मतलब आपके जो उंगली है वो पूरे इसको टच करेगी. ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसा करके हैंडशेक हो रहा है, नहीं. It should touch the hand. But some people they do like this. Never do that, because you will lose your rapport by just doing this. Your touch is very much important. The way you shake hand. So till now we have talked about S for smile, O for open, F for forward leaning, T for touch, E for, can anybody tell me E for?
Sir, eye contact.
Empathize.
Sir, eye contact.
Absolutely right. Eye contact. When you talk, you should look towards that person. Without looking towards that person, you cannot create a rapport. It is very much important that you look towards that person. That's called eye contact. Next. Nodding. When you listen, you should nod. You know, when you nod, it is very important. You know, it gives that speaker a signal that I'm listening. Okay, okay. आप लोग भी when you nod, no, I get it that yes, you people are listening. These are very important. What you are seeing on the screen: smile, open, forward leaning, touch, eye contact, and nodding. Some people tell me, you know, ask me that, sir, if sometimes it happens that I am listening you, but I'm not nodding. So normally it is not practically possible, because when you are, you know, listening and you are understanding and you are liking, nodding will come automatically. It's very natural.
Yes, sir.
But suppose
Yes,
I'm
sir.
listening, sometimes I can do it deliberately also to make that person understand that I'm listening you, sir. I'm with you, sir. Tell me. Sometimes we do deliberately also. Okay, अभी आप करोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि यार कहीं मैं deliberately तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ. But you know, when you do this, वो deliberately करो या दिल से करो, सामने वाले को लगेगा कि आप उसको सुन रहे हो. You are listening. And that person will like you, because everybody we want to be listened. If I feel that you people are listening me, I will feel good. So you will be able to create rapport with me. So guys, this is very impactful body language. Okay, then we'll go for the next. Never go over style or go under style. Yeah, this was told by Prakashini also. We should not show more or under, you know, we should always keep a balance. Never go over style. Over style नहीं करने का. You know, ज़्यादा smile, ha ha करके smile नहीं करने का, laugh नहीं करने का. You should know how to look at the person, how to smile, how to lean, how to touch. We should know that. Okay. You know, follow style, not words. Always follow the style, not words. Don't copy the same words that speaker is telling. You can follow the style, but not the words. Now, number 3 is proximity. Can you tell me what is proximity? Anyone?
Going closer to the person's interest.
Proximity is the distance. When you talk to someone, what is the distance you are maintaining with that listener or speaker? That is important, guys. आपको जितना distance maintain करना है, आपको जानना है. आप ज्यादा सट जाओगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, ज्यादा भी डिस्टेंस रहेगा तो भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. You should know how much distance I should maintain when I communicate with that person. We all know that, you know, when we are in the public speaking, that is the public zone, we maintain a distance. When we are in a public zone, we are giving a public speaking. But sometimes in a society, we meet, we talk, we get attached, we maintain the social zone. The distance is lesser. But when, you know, sometimes there are some people, they go into personal zone. So public zone, social zone, personal zone. And one is private zone. These are the proximity. So if you really want to create a rapport with that person, it is very important to know how much distance you should maintain with that person. ये आपको देखना पड़ेगा. I cannot tell you. You should be knowing how much distance I should maintain with that person. It should not go over. It should not go under. It should be very much required. You know, there are many people, you know, I have seen, हर बात करने के टाइम ना सट के बात करते हैं. You know, there are people like that. They are not bad people. Maybe they have a habit of doing it. जब भी बात करते हैं, अरे यार टच करके बात करते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे पकड़ के बात करते हैं, you know, they may be having a habit of it. So, but आप सबके साथ ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. You cannot do it in a professional zone. You should know how much distance you should maintain when you talk. Okay, number 4, be the first person to say hi. Be the first one to say hi.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So,
Tell
what
me.
is the meaning of a proximity? Proximity. What is the meaning of proximity?
Means the space between two people. The distance.
Okay.
The distance.
Distance between two peoples.
Yeah. So when you communicate, your distance is very much important. हो सकता है कि आपको किसी के साथ थोड़ा सा पर्सनल या सोशली बात करना है, बट आप दूर खड़े हो, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा. आपको सामने जाना पड़ेगा. The distance matters. Okay, number 4 is be the first one to say hello. You know, so many times we feel, यार वो hello बोलेगा फिर मैं hello बोलूंगा, वो मेरे तरफ देखेगा तब मैं उसके तरफ देखूंगा, वो hi बोले फिर मैं hi बोलूंगा. But you know, be the first person to say hi is very important. Yeah, Rupesh.
पहले आप में वो गाड़ी छूट जाती है.
गाड़ी छूट जाती है, रेपो नहीं होता है, कस्टमर छूट जाता है, इंसान छूट जाता है, गर्लफ्रेंड छूट जाती है, सब छूट जाता है लाइफ में. You know, it's very important to say hi. अब वो जबरदस्ती देखो, अगर आपको लग नहीं रहा है फिर भी हाई करो आप. इट्स अ गुड जेस्चर. थोड़ा सा आर्टिफिशियल लगता है कभी कभी, जैसे हम यहाँ पे ऑन करते हैं, आप लोग बोलते हो गुड मॉर्निंग सर, गुड इवनिंग सर, हेलो सर, हाय सर. कुछ लोग बोलते भी नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं कि दे डोंट वांट इट, बट हो सकता है दे फील अरे ठीक है सब तो बोल रहे हैं, मैं क्यों बोलूं. अरे बोलो, इससे बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ता है, अपने अपने को ना, अगर सब कुछ, अगर इफ यू आर डूइंग राइट तो जबरदस्ती कर सकते हो आप. आई एम गिविंग यू वेरी इजी एग्जांपल. सपोज एक there's a one old lady crossing the road and she is not able to cross the road. तो आप जाओ, आप सोचो, यू आर नॉट फीलिंग, आपको उतना फील नहीं हो रहा है, बट आपको लग रहा है कि यार थोड़ा हेल्प कर दे, टाइम है मेरे पास. ऐसा नहीं कि यू आर फीलिंग फॉर दैट लेडी, ओ माय गॉड कितना प्रॉब्लम है उसके लाइफ में, शी इज नॉट एबल टू क्रॉस द रोड, बट वी गो एंड हेल्प. some people who feels वो भी help करते हैं. There are some people they don't feel but they know it is right, so I should help. So वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, you also feel that it is right and then do it. Maybe you are not feeling like doing high. There is one person, he was my student. Sorry, he was my student later on. He was my colleague earlier. So he was with me working, and whenever he used to come in the office, he always used to say, hello everybody, good morning everyone, good morning you, good morning Subhash, good morning, always. Usko koi good morning pehle se nahi bolta tha. He was always the first person to say good morning. एक बार वो मेरे से पूछा, कि मुझे कभी कभी अजीब लगता है, आई एम सेइंग गुड मॉर्निंग, पीपल आर नॉट सेइंग इट. आई सेड यू आर डूइंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, यू आर डूइंग वेरी गुड, कीप ऑन डूइंग इट, डोंट थिंक अबाउट कोई आपको गुड मॉर्निंग रिस्पॉन्ड भी करता होगा कि नहीं. एक दिन देखना, यू विल फील दैट. अचानक से उसने बोला, एक बार मेरे पास आया, बोला, सुभाष, वो मेरे को सुभाष दा बोलता था, तो बोला, सुभाष दा, व्हाट हैपेंड टुडे, आई जस्ट केम इन and there's one other colleague, he said hi good morning, Saurabh, ऐसे करके उसने बोला. Even I forgot to say good morning. मैं normally बोलता हूँ, लेकिन आज पता नहीं भूल गया या कुछ हुआ, मैंने बोला नहीं, तो उस लड़के ने बोल दिया गुड मॉर्निंग. बिकॉज उसका पर्सनालिटी ऐसा हो गया था कि जब भी लोग देखते थे तो उसको, सबको अच्छा लगता था. जब उसने गुड मॉर्निंग बोला नहीं तो ऑटोमेटिकली गुड मॉर्निंग आ गया दूसरे के मुंह में. It is very important, when you say, you should be the first person to say hi. चाहे आपको response मिले या ना मिले, these are very important. और मैं बोलूं, एक shy इंसान कभी अपने से hello नहीं बोलता है. तो जब आप अपने से hello बोलोगे ना, सामने वाला आप पे डाउट नहीं करेगा कि आप shy हो. So वो soften भी याद रखना, जब hi बोलोगे ऐसे robotic hi, क्योंकि मैंने सीखा है क्लास में hi बोलना है, so मैं hi बोल रहा हूं, ऐसा नहीं करना है. वो सॉफ्टन को यूज करना और हाय बोलना, स्माइल, ओपन, हाय, हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग. ठीक है, तो रोबोटिक वाला नहीं. इट शुड बी वेरी जेन्युइन एंड विद अ बॉडी लैंग्वेज.
सर जैसे हम लोग पहले कभी मम्मी लोग से सुनते थे कि गांव में और ऐसे होता ना, तो मोस्टली पीपल जब आपस में इंटरेक्ट होते, जस्ट क्रॉस होते, जो गांव की लैंग्वेज है, राम राम या जय श्री कृष्ण, वो जरूर बोलते हैं. तो लोग उनको जब वो 2-4 दिन नहीं दिखते थे, ऐसा कुछ होता, तो उसको रिमेम्बर्ड होता कि आजकल वो दिख नहीं रहा है, ये बोल नहीं रहा है, उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ या प्लेस पे नहीं, तो पीपल आर मिसिंग दैट.
आई डोंट नो आप लोग को ये स्टोरी कहीं पे आपने सुना है कि नहीं. इट्स अ वंडरफुल स्टोरी. एक स्कूल था. there was a school and there was a teacher.
Yeah, I knew that, sir.
Yeah, that whenever the teacher used to come, he used to say good morning to everyone, even to the chowkidar also, the security guard. He used to say hi, hello to that chowkidar also. Hi, kaise ho? Sab theek thak hai? Every day, and what happened? And जब भी वो निकलता था, स्कूल से निकलता था, he used to say hi, hello, how are you? अभी मैं निकल रहा हूँ, okay, bye bye. Every day he used to interact. One day what happened? It was a summer vacation time. So that teacher entered, say hi, hello, and did. वो पढ़ाते पढ़ाते छुट्टी हो गया, तो that teacher was working. और यहाँ पे सारा स्कूल बंद हो गया. The whole school closed. Everybody they went out. और उस टीचर को लगा कि यार अभी समर वेकेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. Let's complete the work today only. जैसे ही कंप्लीट करके निकल रहा है, देख रहा है कि एवरीथिंग इज क्लोज, द डोर्स आर क्लोज्ड. जिसने डोर बंद किया वो अपना काम है भाई, जल्दी से बंद करो, निकलो. उसने उतना सोचा नहीं. And you know, everybody, they close the door, gate is closed, all the students left. अब वो 1.5 महीने बाद, after 1.5 months, वो school खुलेगा, imagine. But that security guard remembered, आज मेरे को उसने bye नहीं बोला. What happened? I never saw him just go away without saying bye. उसको doubt लगा. He just went inside, एक बार check कर लिया. उसको लग रहा था कि शायद वो चले गए होंगे, कोई रीजन से भूल गए होंगे, बट फिर भी एक बार डबल चेक करने गए. And he saw that person locked inside the room. Imagine, मतलब कोई मैंने if you do something good ना, you will get something in return. That's the power of saying hi and be the first person. Okay, the last point, very important. Guys, remember the names. Names are very important. Names are very close to people. When you tell anybody by name, they respond very positively. You know, there are many people, they talk, hey, ladka, idhar aa. Oh, that boy, come here. No, no boy, no ladka. No, hey, ladki, idhar aa. Nahin. When you talk, when you use the name, people, they feel good because we have an emotional touch with our name. Subhash, Rupesh, Vandana. You know, we love our names and we have an emotional bonding with our names. So when we call anybody by their name, we can create a rapport with them. Guys, whatever we are discussing today, this is not the exhaustive list how to create a rapport, but these help. When you want to create a rapport, if you use the name, if you say hi, that person, hello, sir, how are you? If you are first to say hello, when you know how much distance you should maintain with that person, when you know that you have to smile, you have to open, you have to have an eye contact, you know, when you have a good touch, smart touch, nodding, when you know that when you sit, you should do matching and mirroring. इससे क्या होता है? The probability of rapport to be created will be more. So guys, today we have learned how to create a rapport with people. So it's very important because be it in the organization or in our personal life, it is very important that we create a rapport so that people should like me. See, it is very important that people should like me. I've seen many people, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं यार कि अरे यार लोग पसंद नहीं करते, नहीं करते. Why should I change myself for anyone? No. See, this is the planet for everyone. Please listen. This is not my planet that everything will happen according to me. This is the planet where everybody will live. When we are at home, I can live the way I can, but when I'm facing people, when I'm presenting myself towards the people, I should respect them. I should give importance to everyone. People are important, and if I don't like people, I have to search for another planet where nobody's there. But if I'm here in this planet, I have so many people around me, then I have to be, you know, I have to think about creating rapport. I have to respect people. I have to interact with people. So guys, any question if you have, you can ask. Otherwise, we can end the session here.